Hello kids. Class first, subject conversation. Conversation is an oral subject. This is your conversation book, Gentle Conversation. Today we will read chapter 50 about things around us using prepositions. What are prepositions? Preposition means position words. Where is the ball? A ball is in the box. Preposition used here is in. A ball is in the box. Now, where is the ball? A ball is on the table. Preposition used here is on. A ball is on the table. Now, where is the ball? A ball is under the table. Preposition used here is under the table. Where is the boy? A boy is behind the ball. Preposition used here is behind. Open page number 32 and 33 of your book. Let's start reading of the chapter. Chapter 15 about things around us using prepositions. Read this conversation between two students. One of them is asking questions about things around them and the other is answering them. Let's start the reading. A. Places a book on the table. A book on the table. On is an preposition. Where is the book lying? Means where is book kept? B. It is lying on the table. As you can see, a book is on the table, above the table. Is the book on the table? On? Yes, it is. A book is on the table. Again, A asked, where is the dustbin kept? Where is the dustbin? B replied, a dustbin is kept under the table. A dustbin is kept under the table. Is the dustbin kept under the table? It is under the table? Yes or no? B said yes, it is. Now students, come on page number 33. A. Is this dustbin kept behind the table? Dustbin is behind the table? Yes or no? No, it is on. It isn't. It is under the table. Dustbin is under the table. A. Is the dustbin in the corner of the room? As you can see a picture of room, you can see dustbin in the corners? No, it isn't. It is under the table. A. Points to the blackboard. What is this? B replied, this is a blackboard. Blackboard? Do you know blackboard? Teacher used to write on blackboard, na class students? You have seen on the classes. This is blackboard. What are the students looking at? Where are the children looking at? They are looking at the blackboard. Are the children looking at the blackboard? Yes, they are. Look at the picture. What is the man doing? The man is pouring tea into the cup. He is pouring tea into the cup. Where are the books? B replied, they are in the bag. They are inside the bag means in the bag. Are the books in the bag? B said, yes, they are. Are the books on the table? Are these books on the table? No, they are not. They are in the bag. Now students, come on page number 34. A. Where are the boys and girls? Where are the boys and girls? B said, they are in the playground. They are in the playground. Are the boys and girls in the classroom? No, we have studied now. They are in the playground. No, they are not. They are in the playground. A points to the picture. What is the girl holding in her hand? What she is having in her hand? The girl is holding a doll in her hand. A girl is holding a doll in her hand. A. To whom is the fruit seller talking to? Fruit seller means a person who sells fruits. To whom he is talking to? The fruit seller is talking to a customer. The fruit seller is talking to a customer. Customer is the person who purchases the things. Where are the books kept? They are kept on the shelf. They are kept on the shelf. Where is the shelf kept? The shelf is in the corner of the room. Students, you have to read the chapter 15 about things around us using prepositions.
Thank you and have a nice day.